Welcome back to We Dared Chemistry. In this lecture, we will spend our brain doing some numericals in text questions. So join us whether you are a student or a curious mind. In text question, problem 2.5, calculate A, wave number, and B, frequency of yellow radiation, having wavelength 5,800 angstroms. Solution, we have the following given values. Wavelength is equal to 5,800 angstroms, where 1 angstrom is equal to 10 raised to the power minus 8 centimeter. So wavelength of yellow radiation is equal to 5,800 into 10 raised to the power minus 10 meter. So we know the relation that wave number is equal to 1 upon wavelength, so to find wave number, we will use this relation. Wave number is equal to 1 by lambda. Wave number is equal 1 upon 5,800 into 10 raised to the power minus 10. So after division, the wave number of yellow radiation is equal to 1.724 into 10 raised to the power 6 meter. And after conversion, it is 1.724 into 10 raised to the power 4 meter. Frequency, nu, is equal to c divided by lambda, nu equal to 3 into 10 raised to the power 8 upon 5,800 into 10 raised to the power minus 10 meter. So after division, the frequency, nu, of yellow radiation is equal to 5.172 into 10 raised to the power 14 per second. Now we will do the next question in next lecture. Thank you for your attention and keep studying with We Dared Chemistry.